Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. Here we are, Mount Hood, Oregon. It's a freaking blizzard. It's puking snow again. Check it out. Well guys, I've been digging more snow than any man in history the last few days. If you check out my recent videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I've been working 2 jobs, digging tons of snow, and working on some other projects. I've been so busy, I haven't done anything fun in a while, so I figured I'd walk to Charlie's in the blizzard and go get me a hamburger. And I'm bringing you along on the adventure. Oh yeah, baby, Charlie's Mountain View. We're doing it at the Char Bar. Gonna get a hamburger and fry. Then I gotta go home and dig tons of more snow. Oh yeah, Char Bar. What up, Scriggs? Oh yeah, where are you at, Jim? I'm in the Char Bar getting ready to get a burger and fry. Where are you at, bro? Oh yeah, baby, my burger's here and we're gonna eat big at the Char Bar. Well guys, I just finished my burger at the Char Bar. I'm heading back into the abyss, and then I'm heading up to scoop more snow. I'm glad I could bring you along on this adventure. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you like my content. And until the next one, Mountainous out.